Very good morning, students. Let's start our English class. In our last class, students, we had completed up to chapter 17, grammar book. Your grammar book up to chapter 17. The name of chapter was present, past, and future tense. And today we'll start chapter 18, page number 63. The name is simple present tense. And we share the ebook in front of you all. I hope you all can see on the screen the ebook. Here's your ebook and chapter 18.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Open your book. Page number 63, chapter 18, future simple present tense. Let's start it. As you can see, I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth and then get ready for school. I'll reach the bus stand on time at 7:30 a.m. The school bus picks me up and drops me at the school. The word in bold are verbs and they tell us what Rohan does every day. So these words which are written in bold, they tell us that what Rohan does every day. What Rohan does every day. Rohan kya karta hai every day? These in this paragraph, in these sentences, we can understand. All these verbs are in simple present tense. The words which are written in bold, they all are verbs and they all are written in simple present tense. Understand? We can see that in the simple present tense, we use the original form of the verb like wake, brush, reach. But in some cases, we add s like picks and drops. You can see, हमने यहाँ पर first form of the verb use किया है. But some cases we had used s with the verb. So we use the original form of the verb when the subject are I, we, you, they, or any plural subject. Understand? Whenever subject is in I, you, we, they. Jab subject I, you, we, they hota hai any plural, then we just have to use the original form, the first form of the verb. And if there is any singular, he, she, it, or any singular, then we have to use s or es with the original form of the verb. Understand? When the subject is he, she, it, any singular or any third person, then we have to use s. We have to add s with the verb. As you can see in the example, she plays, I play, we play, you play, they play, boys play. But if there is any singular like he play, she plays, it plays, Ram plays. Now, underline the verb and circle the subject in the following sentences. Write P in the subject if it is plural. Write S if the subject is in singular. So here we have to write P for plural and S for singular. Now, underline the verb and circle the subject. Here we have to underline the verb. So, which is verb here? We go to the park on Sundays.
Ma'am, we go.
Go.
Ma'am, we go.
Go is verb. Go is verb. And subject
Verb.
we. We is
We.
subject. Understand? Now, here we have to write P if the subject is plural. So, can you tell me subject is plural or singular? B.
Ma'am, plural. Ma'am, plural.
Why plural? Hari, why plural? It's plural because इसका मतलब क्या होता है? हम. We means हम. It means more than one. That's why it's plural. So we have to write here plural. P. P for plural. Now, I enjoy musical class. Enjoy is verb and subject is I. So can you tell me subject is singular or plural?
Ma'am, singular. Singular.
Yes, singular. Why? Because it's I. I means singular. I am is singular. Next, she goes to bed at 8 p.m. So here goes, verb. And subject is,
She.
and she is singular or plural?
Ma'am, singular.
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 Jyoti lives in a large house. Lives
Ma'am, lives.
is
Ma'am,
verb.
lives is verb.
And the subject is
Jyoti.
Jyoti. Is singular or plural?
Ma'am, singular. Ma'am, singular.
Yes, Nita buys chocolates from the dad shop.
Ma'am, buys is
Verb
verb.
and
Ma'am, buys and Nita is subject.
is subject.
and singular and plural.
Ma'am, singular.
Ma'am, singular.
Right, singular. Next, I like cheese sandwich.
Ma'am, like is verb.
Ma'am, like is verb and
Ma'am, like is verb and I is subject.
And I is singular or plural?
Ma'am, singular.
Yes. I hope that you all understood this exercise. Rest of the questions you all have to complete it by yourself. Understand? Now move to the next exercise. Make 3 sentences in simple present tense. You have to make 3 sentences in simple present tense, with each of these verbs having I, he, she, and they as the subject. I eat, she eats, they eat. Keep these things in your mind that whenever we are talking about any singular subject, he, she, it, or any singular subject, then we have to use S with verb. Why? Because it's singular. And in simple present tense, जब हम simple present tense लिखते हैं, something which we do every day, then we have to use S with the verb. Like if some singular subject is singular, then we have to use S with the verb. If subject is plural or I, you, we, they, or any plural, we don't have to use S with the verb. We have to use the original form of the verb. Understand? Like I eat, we eat, they eat, boys eat. Understand? And if we
ma'am, she eat.
sorry,
Ma'am, she eat.
she eat नहीं होगा. She is singular. Understand? She क्या है? Singular है. He singular है. Whenever we are talking about any singular, जब किसी singular के बारे में बता रहे हैं, then we have to use S with the verb. She eats. He eats. Raju eats. Ram eats.
And
It
ma'am,
eats. Yes, Sarushi.
when we talk about singular, so we have to add S.
Yes, in simple present tense, we have to use if the meaning of this sentence is I eat means मैं खाती हूँ, मैं खाता हूँ. I play means मैं खेलता हूँ. She play means she plays. She plays means वह खेलती है. Ram plays means राम खेलता है. Understand? This is the tense. This is the verb which always चलता रहता है. Daily होता रहता है. वो खेलता है. He goes. वह जाता है. Understand? They eat. वे खाते हैं. We don't have to use S with plural. We have to use S with singular. Understand? अगर मैं आपसे बोलूंगी कि सीता सोती है, what is the English of this sentence?
Rita is sleeping.
Sorry?
Ma'am, Rita sleeps.
Yes, Rita sleeps. Who is saying sleeping?
Ma'am, Ayushi.
Where is Ayushi? Ayushi, on your camera. वही तो समझा रहे हैं. रीता सोती है. That means Rita sleeps. मैं सोती हूँ. What is the English of this? मैं सोती हूँ.
Ma'am, I sleeps.
Yes.
Ma'am, I sleep.
Do not add S. I sleep. I sleep. Only I sleep.
Okay, ma'am.
मैं खाती हूँ. I eat. मैं जाती हूँ. I go. मैं आती हूँ. I come. Understand? Means if we are talking about any simple present tense, any work which जो चलता रहता है, yes, जो daily everyday होता है, yes, yes, who is asking?
मैम जब हम लोग प्लूरल मैम जब हम लोग मैम प्लूरल किसी चीज का करते हैं तो मैम उसमें एफ या फिर मैम एफ ई ऐड कर देते हैं.
Sorry, can you repeat?
मैम
Yes. Whenever we are, wait, let me tell you again. जब हमारा सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल होता है तो वर्ब के साथ एस नहीं लगता. अंडरस्टैंड? ये बात अपने दिमाग में रखना. कीप दिस थिंग, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दिस पॉइंट इन योर माइंड. Whenever subject is plural, we don't have to use s with verb. When subject is singular, then we have to use s with verb. Understand? He eats, वह खाता है. He comes, वह आता है. She goes, वह जाती है. Understand? Ram plays, राम खेलता है. सीता dances, सीता नाचती है. I hope you understood. I told you all these things in very detail. So you have to complete this exercise on your grammar notebook. And this one also, which you can see here, exercise number C. Change these sentences from plural to singular and make the required changes. So as you can see here, the women cook food. Here you can see the women is in plural form, but the verb is written in singular form. Means without s, I mean. The verb is in without s form. It is written in original form. In the next sentence, as you can see, the woman cooks. Now woman is singular and we added s with the original form of the verb. So I hope you all can do rest of the exercise by yourself. Can you complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Like
Yes,
the-
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me tell you the first one. The singers sing well. So the answer will be the singer. Here it is written in plural, so we have to write in singular. The singer sings
The singer sing well.
well. You have to add s.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Next is the Hari. What is this? Please take care of mic. Huh? You're blowing your mic. Please take care, beta. This is not good, okay? During class, this is not good. The little boys sell toys. Here it is written in plural form. So we have to change this little boys in singular form. So we have to write little boy sells toys. Understand? Little boy sells toys. Next is the children wait for the bus. So what is the singular of children? Who can tell me the singular of children?
Ma'am, child.
Yes, the child waits.
Child.
Waits for the bus. You have to use s. You have to add s with the verb. Understand? Next question is the babies like cartoons. So this question is very simple. The singular form of babies is, who can tell me?
Baby.
Yes,
When the baby like cartoon.
Ma'am, baby.
And the baby like a
you have to add s.
When baby likes the
Yes,
cartoon.
the baby likes cartoon. Understand? Students work hard. Student works hard. Add s with the verb. The verb you have to add s. The student work hard. I hope you all can do these exercises. Move to the next one, which is change the sentence from singular to plural. Last one was plural to singular, and this one is singular to plural. Like the dog barks, the dogs bark. Now we have to change. It is plural form. So babies cry.
Ma'am, the babies cry.
Yes, the babies CRY only, literally. Understand? The owl hoots at night. The owls hoot. The only singular, sorry, plural. Owls hoot at night. Full stop. Understand? So I hope you all can do rest of the exercise. Can you complete rest of the exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Kritika,
Yes, ma'am.
Kritika,
Yes, ma'am.
can you complete this exercise? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
और कोई doubt नहीं है?
No, ma'am.
Now go to the next one. Fill the blanks with the correct form of the verb in the simple present tense. Now here we have to fill it by a correct form of the verb. He always dash his friends in the evening. Now calls लगेगा कि call, because here you can see it's singular. Sparsh, what is the answer? Calls or call? He calls, he always calls, or he always call? It's singular. Calls होगा कि call होगा?
Ma'am,
calls.
Yes, it's calls.
Ma'am,
Why?
calls.
Because the subject is in singular form. So we have to use S with the verb. Now, Monali cooks or Monali cook? What is the answer?
ma'am,
Ma'am,
ma'am
cooks.
cooks.
Yes, because Monali is singular. Now they work hard, very hard, or they works hard.
Ma'am, works.
Ma'am works.
Raise your hand. You can give me the answer. Yes, Hari.
Ma'am, work.
Work or works? क्या होगा?
Ma'am, works.
S.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone else? Yes, Arushi.
Ma'am, they work hard.
Yes, Sparsh.
Ma'am, they work hard.
Yes, yes, Rishabh.
And they work hard.
Annapurna.
Ma'am, they work hard.
Ayushi.
Ma'am, they work hard.
Yes, they work hard. S nahi hoga Hari. Understand? Why? Because it is written in, the subject is in plural form. They means क्या होता है? वे लोगों के बारे में हम बात करें. We are talking about the third person. Understand? So they work hard. We don't have to use S. Now here, Meeta buys. They usually, again, they is here, so we have to use C-U-M-E. Come. We don't have to use S. Understand? Now move to the next one. We know negative sentence are those which have the word no or not in them. Now here you can see I come early to school. I do not come early to school. He comes early to school. Here, which thing is important? Let me tell you that हमें do or does कहाँ use करना है. Here we have to try to understand that do कहाँ use होगा and does कहाँ use होगा. I guess we already studied. If it is here. Yes, it is written here. Look, this we are changing the sentence in negative. She cooks well, she does not cook well. The question is where we have to use does and do. So it is written here. I, you, we, they. In any plural, we have to use do not. Understand? I, you, we, they, or any plural, we have to use do not. And if the subject is he, she, it, or any singular, then we have to use does not. Understand? Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
First,
ma'am.
where we have
Yes, ma'am.
do कहाँ use करना है? Do not. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, do not.
Yes. I just told you. What were you doing? With I, you, we, they, and any plural, we have to use do not. And with he, she, it, and any singular, we have to use does not. Understand? वह नहीं आती है. She does not come. Understand? राम नहीं खेलता है. Ram does not play. मैं नहीं खेलती हूँ. I do not play. Understand? Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
As
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
see here, yes, as you can see here, I come early to school. I do not come early to school. He comes early to school. He does not come early to school. And one more important thing which we have to keep in our mind, that we don't have to use s with verb whenever we are making any negative sentence. Whenever we are writing any negative sentence, we don't have to use s with the verb. As you can see here, he does not come early to school. She does not cook well. Buses reach the stand on time. Buses do not reach stand on the time. That means buses, it is written in plural form. So we have to use do not. To convert the following sentence in negative. The cycle belongs to him. Negative. The cycle does not belong to him. Why does not? Because,
Ma'am,
yes. Why does
ma'am,
not?
because he is a
Because cycle is singular. Understand? Because cycle is written in
Yes, ma'am.
singular subject. Cycle is singular subject. He plays cricket. What is the answer? Negative. Who can tell me the answer?
Ma'am, he does not play cricket.
Ma'am, he
Yes.
does not play cricket.
Yes, he does not play cricket. Understand? Full stop. They buy food from the street vendor. They do not buy food from the street vendor. Lata wakes up early. Lata does not wake up early. She makes good food. She does not make good food. Understand?
Ma'am,
Yes, Sparsh.
ma'am, we have to write question number G in copy.
Yes, because there is not much space to write in book.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, interrogative sentence. Here you just have to change the do or does in first place. You have to write them. It's very simple. As you can see, the Namita studies in DVS school. It is normal statement. The question is, does Namita study in DVS school?
Yes.
Here,
Yes.
one more question will comes. One more question will be there, which is, where does Namita study? Do Mansi and Srishti like music? Why are you using do? Because Mansi and Srishti makes plural subject. Understand? So with plural, we know that we have to use do. With singular, we have to use does. Convert the sentence statement in yes, no question. They live in Hyderabad. Do they live in Hyderabad? Rohan reads very well. Does Rohan read very well? Manya rides a bicycle. Does
Ma'am?
Manya ride a bicycle? Yes. Dhoni hits the ball very hard. Does Dhoni?
Ma'am, does Dhoni hits the ball very hard?
Yes. You don't have to use S with the verb. Understand? S
Yes,
verb
ma'am.
के साथ use नहीं करना है in question and in negative sentence. Here you can see what does Ravi play. Ravi plays cricket. Rohan comes every Saturday. When does Rohan come? You can write. Understand?
Where Rohan comes every Saturday.
Let's write the answer of this question at least. Then does Rohan come? Next, Nisha lives in Manipur. There does Nisha live? Rashmi visits the doctor very often because her eyes are weak. Answer is why. Why does Rashmi visit? Again, who is this? Please take care. Why are you blowing your mic? You all are in class 4th. Understand? Please take care of this, students. You are big enough to understand each and everything, most of the things. The player go to the ground by team bus. How do the player go to the ground? Don't forget to put question mark. He brings video game with him. What does he bring with him? This is the question. I hope that you all have done this one also. So we'll complete this chapter 19 in our next class. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Any doubt, you can ask me, students.
No, ma'am, we don't have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we will complete chapter 19, 20, and 21 in our next class. You will get the video of 19, 20 from chapter 18 to 21.